United States generates more solid waste per capita than any other country. We are the most polluting country in the world. We create the most toxic waste, the most solid waste. We use the most coal, the most oil, the most natural gas. We are one of the leading causes of pollution in this country, in this world. If we reduce this, if we become energy efficient, we can save up to almost 50% of the energy we make and we use. And so that would almost double our available resources. If we use sanitary landfills, we have to trap the methane and we can't let it get out into the atmosphere. We have to use it as natural gas. And we need to find safer ways and more effective ways of managing waste, like burning it, reducing it, recycling it. And even though it may be more expensive to recycle, we need to think of those options. We mine materials out of the earth. There's multiple ways we can do this. We can do it through mountaintop removal. We can do it through drilling. We can do it through fracking. We do this to get the ore out of the ground, and we have to process it, we have to refine it in some cases, and then it gets distributed for worldwide use. North America is mostly coal. We do not have very large oil reserves like Saudi Arabia does. So we do a lot of mountaintop removal to access the coal, which is the easiest and cheapest option. It's also one of the safer ones for workers, but it does destroy the ecosystems, and it does cause massive amounts of pollution. Okay. A lot of, actually all of our energy sources that we use right now require subsidies from the government. So that means the government is giving these companies money or to lower the cost of these goods. So nuclear power needs subsidies, oil, gas. Gasoline is not true cost pricing. Gasoline is discounted, and the price is managed through the government based on places you live, and it's also adjusted based on per gas station, based on supply and demand as well. Oil products is made through a boiling system. So crude oil is heated and sent through a column, and as the gases rise, and it collects in different levels, and so it from the highest boiling point to the lowest boiling point. So that's how you get gasoline, aviation fuel, diesel, grease, and wax, and asphalt. And so petrochemicals are a lot of things. They're the polyester you're wrapped in. That's your clothing. This shirt's made out of polyester. This is not cotton. Your cosmetics, fertilizers, carpets, paints, your tires in your car, the rubber casings on the wires that run through your house. Almost everything you use most likely has a petroleum product in it, or has been affected by petroleum in its transportation and distribution in some way, shape, or form.